All right, good morning, ladies and gents. I'm still waiting on the district office to clear that add-on sheet, so I'm just going to keep working around the best that I can. So here's the worksheet that you're going to be working with today. It is from the CDC. The CDC should sound very familiar to you guys. They're the ones that have been tracking and dealing with the coronavirus. So they did a survey of teenagers. They do this annual survey to try to gauge the health of our youth. So they did this survey as quite a few respondents, and these are all of the different variables. You've got age, grade, gender, Hispanic, Latino, race, and I'll show you a chart that explains what all these answers mean, or possible answers. We've got height, weight, general health, hours of sleep, whether they have asthma, depressed, do they wear a helmet, do they wear a seat belt, do they wear sunscreen, describe your weight, you eat fruit, do you eat salads, drink soda, so do you exercise, how often do you exercise, how much TV do you watch, how many hours of video games do you play, do you smoke, do you fight? So there's a whole bunch of data in here to try to figure out the health of our teenagers. So we're going to start off slow. I'm going to break this up into 3 different parts. The first one here is just kind of checking out the data. What is it all about? Let me find the worksheet. Oh, where did it go? There it is. Getting familiar with the survey. So you're going to load the worksheet, and then you're going to answer these handful of questions. Starting slow, and we will add from here. So good luck, ladies and gents. When you're finished with all this, upload it through your Canvas account.